Hello and welcome to School of Cardistry. Today we celebrate the release of the Jaspas Deck Cardistry Con Edition. Yay! Woo! Woohoo! The Jaspas Deck Cardistry Con Edition is now available on the new deck order. If you want to buy yourself or a friend of yours a perfect Christmas gift, now's the time. As an extra bonus for you guys, the new deck order has also put together a mini series of tutorials with some of our good friends for you guys to learn. Some of the featured cardists that you will see include Ling, Kenneth Aiden Fu, Teo Chun Chia, and a few more. But today in this tutorial, I'll be your first teacher with the move Alternate Z. Alt Z first appeared in Card Engine, and ever since then I've been getting messages from you guys asking me to teach the move. Alt Z features a beautiful repeating movement that just seems to flow perfectly. Where one packet moves to, the next packet begins to move, and where that packet stops, another packet begins to move. It is a continuous flow of non-stop movement. Very beautiful. Now, go get yourself your favorite deck of playing cards and let's get down to learning Alt Z. To do Alt Z, first begin by breaking into a Z grid like this. But instead of breaking it straight out like this, you're going to break it like this. Next, you're going to execute one of these movements. I know it looks scary, but don't worry, we're going to break down the movement to make it easy to learn. First, break into your Z grid, but with this packet upwards. Next, using your right hand middle finger, ring finger, and pinky, straddle this packet here. Let's take a look at how that works. Your left hand rotates this packet downwards, and at the same time, your right hand is going to rotate this packet with your middle finger almost touching your thumb. Land this packet on your thumb and remove your middle finger from it. At the same time, your left hand pinky is going to approach the bottom of this packet that you have just rotated 180 degrees, and you're going to land your left hand pinky on the packet right there. Now, you don't need your right hand middle finger or ring finger on this packet. Next, using your left hand pinky and your right hand pinky, rotate the packet out like so. Finally, using your right hand middle finger, grip this packet. This is what the two packets in your right hand should look like. So one more time, slowly, left hand goes up, right hand cradles the middle packet, like so. And as the left hand comes downwards, the right hand rotates the packet 180 degrees. Land it here. Then using your middle finger, grip onto this packet. Raise the two packets in your right hand upwards, and using your pinky, grip onto the middle packet like so. One more time, let's take a look at what that looks like. Here, rotate down, grip this, and pinky approaches this packet. Now, the left hand index finger no longer controls this packet, and the three packets in your right hand should be positioned so that it looks sort of like a triangle. Using your left hand, bring your index finger to the packet that is being held by your thumb and index finger. So you have these three packets being controlled by your right hand and one packet in your left hand. Using your left hand index finger, approach the back of the packet being controlled by your thumb and index finger. Like this. You're going to swivel this packet out towards your left hand thumb. Execute a scissors cut in your left hand by splitting this packet like so. and transfer control of the middle packet back to your right hand index finger and thumb. As this is happening, the Sears card should be completed. Once this packet has been returned to this position, your left hand index finger should be very close to this packet. Using the momentum of the previous part of the card, which is like this, make your index finger press down on this packet and rotate the packet using your index finger and pinky back onto this deck. Follow through with that movement and raise your right hand a little bit to cause this packet to land on the base packet, like so. Right now, the packet should be like this. One packet slightly above the other with your base packet in your left hand. Using the side of your thumb right here, press against the corner of this card. In doing so, you should be able to split a smaller packet like this, rotate it 360 degrees like so, and as your right hand and left hand are approaching each other, begin to shift the index finger of your right hand towards your middle finger and your thumb towards your pinky, effectively closing these two packets. Square it up with the other two packets. Here is a slow performance of the move. Z grip butt up, rotate, place packet on thumb, shift it to the pinky, regrip, shift it here, index finger goes to the back, shift control, grip it here, continue the movement here, and finally using thumb, split this packet, square up all the packets. Here's a slow motion performance over the shoulder. Alright, there you have it. That was Alt Z. Did you manage to get it on your first try? I'm sure you did. If you didn't, don't be afraid to just watch through this video a few more times while practicing the move. This way, you'll be able to gain the muscle memory and the skills you need to split the packets perfectly. Once again, don't forget to check out the newdeckorder.com for the new Jaspas Deck Cardistry Con Edition playing cards. They would make a perfect Christmas gift. Before we go, we need to drop a shout out to our awesome patrons Feng New Yen, Royce Koo, Mark Ong, Troy Howell, Andreas Gar, Sebastian Gopoksil, and all our other awesome patrons. We wouldn't be able to do this show without you guys. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys again next week.